In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to do a resistance band deadlift. So I've got one of these long looped resistance bands. I'm going to be showing you how to do a deadlift. So firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to grab the middle of your resistance band like so, where you've got two loops on either side. Your feet are going to go into each loop, and I want you to pop the band in the middle of your foot. Now, in this position, you're already ready to go for the deadlift. I'm going to show you this side on so you can best see. So once I've got my feet hip width apart, my hands, both of which are going to come into contact with the band. I have a nice straight back, hips down, chest up. I'm going to come up to a standing position, keeping the band close to my body. What I do now is I'm going to bring my hips back and keep my back straight. So hips to the back of the room. I'm bringing that spine slowly down as I bend my knees, and then back up and squeeze through the glutes to return back to a standing position. So that's hips back. I slowly come down, bending the knees, keeping myself upright at all times. Once I'm at the bottom where I can't feel the resistance, straight back up, again, always squeezing the glutes and bringing those hips forward on the way up. So I want to show you the hips really slowly. So watch the hips. As I come up, the hips shoot through, big contraction of the glute, and from here it's the opposite. Hips coming back, knees slowly bending, and then once you've got a point where the resistance on the band, you can't feel any resistance, that's when you know you've finished your repetition. Now, of course, the heavier you go, the more resistance you're going to feel at the top part of the deadlift. Now, it's not like doing weights or a barbell. The more you stretch a resistance band, the heavier the resistance is. So the difference between this and a dumbbell or a barbell is the barbell and dumbbell stays the same weight, whereas this will change weight throughout the exercise. This can be used as a warm-up or precursor for deadlifts if you wanted to. You're going to repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to do a deadlift with one of these long looped bands.